Hot sauce. We got Gdepps from this tropical blend chops. Baked chops, that is. Yes, sir, baby. A little olive oil in my rub. That's it. 300 degrees. 45 minutes to an hour till done. What's your matter? We got the rice pilaf up underneath right there, baby. See that right there, baby? See one rice out of place. Holler at me. What? Never mind. See. Anyway. What's your matter? Got the hot sauce squad back there. Ultimate hot sauce squad. Me mugging 20 slugging. One in the chamber, baby. We got the all-purpose rub. Got Shemai's. I mean, Brianna's. What I said, Shemai's? We got Brianna's Asian blend up first. I thought I had Shemai's first. Anyway, 5-footer. Teresa's barbecue rub. Pork rub. Poultry rub. Jerk seasoning. Blackened seasoning. Veggie seasoning. Seafood blend. Certified hot sauce. Featured tropical blend right here. Spread out Miami, baby. Dramatic. Steak seasoning. Italian blend. Greek seasoning. Onion sriracha. Ultimate pork rub. Fajita seasoning. Moroccan blend. All this stuff out of the way. Chipotle and garlic. Beef seasoning. And pork rub again. Anyway. What's up, baby? Ultimate hot sauce squad and hot sauce squad right there. Me mugging, 20 slugging, one in the chamber. Look at the hot sauce right there, baby. So, baby, when you make your own hot sauce, you don't get no better than that. See the logo? Frank Gonzalez. Shout out for the logo. What's up, baby? Need any kind of print? Holla at my dog right there, Frank Gonzalez, baby. Junior, that is. Look at the broccoli right there. Yeah, Gdepps. Yeah, I try to eat a little healthy now and then. Look at them chops right there. They don't get no better than this right here. These are baked, not fried. Baked. Tropical blend chops. So dramatic. The tropical blend, like I say, it's got a little lime, it's got a little citrus in it, but it's got a little heat. Yes, sir, baby. Don't get no better than this. Cheers, friends. This is tropical blend chops with a little broccoli and rice pilaf. Hot sauce.